is the liver. See here, this is the liver. Now this liver consists of 5 surfaces. What you see here, this is the anterior surface, this is the superior surface, this one is the right lateral surface. If I turn it like this, what you see here, this is the posterior surface, and below here this one and this one is the inferior surface. So totally 5 surfaces are present in the liver. Liver is now divided into 2 lobes. You know that this anatomically, this one is the big right lobe and this one is the small left lobe. How it is divided? It is divided by 3 ligaments. One ligament which is present here, this ligament is called as the falciform ligament. Anteriorly you see this falciform ligament. Posteriorly 2 ligaments are here. One will be present here, this is ligamentum venosum, and one is here, that is the ligamentum teres or the round ligament. So one will be present here, this is the, here you will have ligamentum venosum, and this one what you see coming from here, this is the ligamentum teres or the round ligament. Now the structures which are present in the posterior surface and inferior surface are important. So first we will see the structures which are present in the posterior surface. This is the posterior surface, or this one is the posterior surface. What are the structures present from right to left? We will go from right to left or right to left. First you have the bare area of the liver. This is called as bare area of liver, or the main bare area, which is not covered by any peritoneum. There are other areas also in liver which is not covered by peritoneum, but this is one big area which is not covered by peritoneum, the bare area of liver. What you have here, this is the inferior vena cava. This inferior vena cava is present within a groove. That is the groove for the inferior vena cava. So bare area of liver. Next is the groove from inferior vena cava. After that you have the lobe here. This lobe is called as the caudate lobe. Next you have the fissure for ligamentum venosum. After that, this is, here you have impression of the esophagus. This is the area or the impression for esophagus. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these 5 things you should remember. Here also same thing I will show. This is the bare area of liver. This what you are seeing here, this something is there inside, this is the inferior vena cava. So this inferior vena cava you can see here also. This inferior vena cava is present in this groove. So groove for inferior vena cava, this is what lobe? Caudate lobe. Here you have the groove for ligamentum venosum. Then this is the area for esophagus. Okay, the impression of esophagus or the esophageal notch also you can call it. So this is the posterior surface. What are the structures which are present or structures which are related? Now next is the inferior surface, or you see here, this is the inferior surface. Inferior surface, we will go from left to right. What are the things which are related? Number 1, this area, big area is related to the stomach. Okay, this is called as gastric impression. Okay, then here what you see, this is the ligamentum teres, or fissure for ligamentum teres, or fissure for ligamentum fissure for round ligament of liver. This one, this white color is itself is the ligament. What is this one? This is the caudate lobe of the liver. This is the fissure for gallbladder. Here you have impression of duodenum. This is the impression for colon or the right colic flexure. This is the impression for the right kidney and the right suprarenal gland. Now here above this caudate lobe and below this caudate lobe in the posterior surface, in the inferior surface, you have this area known as the porta hepatis, which is the hilum of the liver, which consists of 3 important structures. This purple color, red color and the green color. Purple color is the portal vein, red color is portal hepatic artery, and this green color is the bile duct. Okay, so these are the structures present in this porta hepatis. Same thing I will show you here also. This is the area of the gastric impression. This is fissure for ligamentum teres, or the round ligament of the liver, and what I am holding right now is the round ligament of a liver. This is the quadrate lobe, fissure for gallbladder. What you have here, this is the gallbladder itself is present here. After fissure for gallbladder, this is the area for impression of the duodenum. Okay, impression for duodenum. This is the impression for, or area for, relation of right colic flexure. Right kidney is related here. This is right colic flexure here. Right kidney and the right suprarenal gland is related in this area. Okay, so and in between these two lobes, this is what lobe? Caudate lobe. This is quadrate lobe. In between these two lobes, you have this area, the porta hepatis, containing the three important structures. So this was liver. Now, I think you should remember this model. Okay, it is showing a pancreas, spleen. Actually, it is a hepatobiliary tract. Okay, so this model, remember that this thing, blue color thing, what you are seeing here, this is the portal vein. This is the portal vein. Okay, this portal vein, how it is formed? It is formed by two structures, two important structures joined together, and they form the portal vein. This is the superior mesenteric artery. Superior mesenteric vein, and this one is the pancreatic vein. Both this will join together and they will form this portal vein. Okay, so that's it, over.